Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get candy blossom in Grow a Garden. Alright, let's begin. The candy blossom seed was originally available during a limited time Easter event, but it's no longer obtainable through regular gameplay. Right now, the only way to get candy blossom is through trading with players who already own the plant. These players either earned the seed during the event or received it through past trades. Since the seed is discontinued, candy blossom has become a high-value item. If you're interested in obtaining one, you'll need to offer a trade of equal or greater value. Think high-demand items, rare seeds, or valuable pets. In some cases, generous players might give one away for free, but this is rare. Your best strategy is to join public servers and keep an eye out for players who have candy blossom in their gardens. If you see one, you can approach the player and ask if they're willing to trade. Make sure your offer is fair, because these plants are often valued in the billions or even trillions of shekels due to their rarity. So that's basically how you can get candy blossom in Grow a Garden. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.